So we had a nice spike today on QuantumScape. This is the daily chart, and not only did price gap higher, but we had a gap and go. And although price did not finish on the highs, still was good for a roughly 20 to 30% price increase in terms of percentages. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I had talked about this setup. If we scroll to the weekly chart, we can see the weekly buyers level that was established back in December. You had a drop in price, two basing candles in the rally higher. Price came back, dipped its toes in the upper portion of the zone, and then shot higher. This signaled that there were buyers waiting to get their unfilled orders filled. And so what happened when price came back, went down to the bottom of the zone to fill any remaining unfilled orders. In the process, formed a nice W pattern. This was resistance, now became support, and this was your signal to go long, as price gave you two opportunities to go long, with the previous or the last one with price gapping higher. So what was all the fuss? Well, let's go to the article that kind of explains what happened. So shares of QuantumScape are spiking higher following announcement from Volkswagen batteries subsidiary PowerCo. Back in 2018, Volkswagen agreed to invest $100 million into the company in order to take advantage of the company's solid-state battery potential. PowerCo recently announced the results of its A-sample endurance test for QuantumScape 24-layer SSB. The battery performed better than expected by completing over 1,000 charging cycles. At the same time, it retained more than 95% capacity. The industry standard target for SSB, similar to QuantumScape SSB in its development phase, is a maximum capacity loss of 20% over 700 charging cycles. Therefore, QuantumScape significantly outperformed in its test. The final result of the development could be a battery cell that enables longer range, can be charged super quickly, and practically does not age, said PowerCo CEO. We are convinced of the solid-state cell and are continuing to work at full speed with our partner QuantumScape towards series production. This announcement was much needed for the bag holders of QuantumScape. Got to remember when they released their third quarter earnings, it was lackluster. In its third quarter shareholder letter, QuantumScape announced that its AO prototype cell had completed over 1,000 full cycle equivalents with a discharge energy retention of over 95%. Alright, so if we go back to the daily chart, this was back in October when they announced earnings and price gapped lower. Again, however, it gapped into a weekly buyers level, right? Alright, so scrolling out to the weekly chart. Let's scroll out to the monthly chart so you can see the next level that should serve as a headwind once again. And it's this level near $13. You have support, now resistance. Price is now roughly $13, $3 away from this level. So with the pop in price, where does price go next? Well, I do anticipate a small pullback. However, the momentum is to the upside, so I do anticipate that price will eventually move higher and retest that resistance level at $13. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.